Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to reheat food. This is something I do every day because I am unwilling and unable to learn how to cook for myself, so I rely on reheating old foods to make them palatable and nutritious. I generally buy or steal or dig up frozen food and then warm them until they're chewable. It's a simple process and it's really a lot of fun. Look here, I'll show you how to do it. First, get some food. I love eating dry, frozen tortellinis. Yummy! There's nothing so delicious. Dry pasta, dry, unseasoned ground beef, no sauce. My mouth is just watering thinking about it. Anyway, plop those sweet nuggets in a used produce bag or empty bagel bag or something and put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. Now, a lot of people think that microwaves are bad because they cook food too quickly, but that's only the case if you allow your microwave to cook things too quickly. I've had mine modded so it cooks low and slow, southern BBQ style. It lends a nice, rich, smoky flavor to the tortellinis that truly can't be beat.